Time is a fundamental aspect of the universe. It is an ever-present force that shapes our existence and the world around us. It dictates the rhythm of our lives, from the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep. Every action we take is bound by the passage of time. From the smallest fraction of a second to the vast expanse of billions of years, time governs everything. It is the silent witness to the unfolding of the universe. Let's begin our journey through time with the most basic unit, 1 second. This tiny measure of time is more significant than it seems. 1 second is a fleeting moment. It passes in the blink of an eye, often unnoticed, yet it holds immense potential. It's the blink of an eye, a moment so brief yet so profound, the click of a camera, capturing a memory that will last a lifetime, the beat of a hummingbird's wings, a marvel of nature's engineering. We often take seconds for granted, not realizing their true value. Each second is a building block of our lives. Yet, within that minuscule time frame, countless events unfold throughout the cosmos. Stars are born and die and galaxies collide. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, travels approximately 300,000 kilometers in 1 second. It illuminates the darkness and reveals the beauty of the world. That's 7.5 times around the Earth. Imagine the vast distances covered in just 1 second. Our brains process information at incredible speeds, forming thoughts and reactions within fractions of a second. These rapid processes enable us to navigate the world efficiently. As seconds turn into minutes, we start to perceive time's passage more clearly. A minute can feel short or long depending on our circumstances. Waiting for a bus on a cold day can stretch a minute into an eternity. Imagine a coffee break. You get up from your desk, grab a cup of coffee and chat with a colleague. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe 15. This short break from our daily routine allows us to regroup. Minutes provide us with these small pockets of time to pause and reflect. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, a few minutes are inconsequential. Yet, for us humans, they represent valuable segments of our day. They remind us to slow down and savor the present moment. Hours provide structure to our days. We divide our time into work hours, leisure hours, and sleep hours. An hour can fly by when we're engrossed in a captivating book or movie. Conversely, an hour can feel like an eternity when we're stuck in traffic or waiting for an important phone call. Picture a scenic hike. Each hour brings you closer to breathtaking views and invigorating fresh air. As you navigate the trail, time seems to melt away. You're immersed in the beauty of nature, losing yourself in the rhythm of each step. Hours remind us that time is a precious resource. It's up to us to use it wisely and create meaningful experiences. Days are the heartbeat of our planet. As Earth completes its rotation, we experience the cycle of day and night. Each day brings with it new opportunities and experiences. We wake up, we work, we learn, we connect with loved ones, and we prepare for the next day. Think of a day at the beach. The sun rises, casting a warm glow on the sand and water. You spend the day swimming, building sandcastles, and soaking up the sun. As the sun sets, painting the sky in vibrant hues, you reflect on the memories made. Days remind us of the cyclical nature of time. Just as the sun rises and sets each day, so too do we experience periods of growth, rest, and renewal. Section 5 Years, the Earth's dance around the sun. Years mark the passage of time on a grander scale. Each year our planet completes its orbit around the sun. We celebrate birthdays, commemorate anniversaries, and witness the changing seasons. Years are a testament to our growth, resilience, and the enduring power of time. Imagine a young couple planting a tree in their backyard. Year after year they watch as the tree grows taller and stronger, its branches reaching towards the sky. The tree becomes a symbol of their love, their family, and the passage of time. Years teach us about patience, perseverance, and the importance of cherishing the moments that shape our lives. Section 6. Millennia, the rise and fall of civilizations. Millennia encompass vast stretches of time. Over thousands of years, empires have risen and fallen, technology has advanced at an astonishing pace, and humanity has made incredible strides in understanding our place in the cosmos. Think about the ancient Egyptians. They built towering pyramids, developed a complex system of hieroglyphics, and left behind a legacy that continues to fascinate us today. Millennia have passed since their civilization flourished, yet their achievements still resonate with us. Millennia remind us of the impermanence of all things and the enduring power of human ingenuity and creativity. Section 7. Eons, witnessing the dawn of dinosaurs. Eons are almost unfathomable in their duration. They span billions of years, encompassing the formation of our planet, the evolution of life, and the vast cosmic events that have shaped the universe we know today. Imagine the age of dinosaurs. Giant creatures roamed the earth, volcanoes erupted with unimaginable force, and continents slowly drifted across the globe. Eons passed as these prehistoric behemoths lived, evolved, and eventually went extinct. Eons force us to confront the vastness of time and the humbling realization that we are but a small part of a much larger cosmic narrative. Section 8. Planck time, the universe's smallest tick. Now, let's journey to the very edge of our understanding of time. Planck time. This concept takes us into the realm of the incredibly small, where the usual rules of physics start to blur and quantum mechanics reign supreme. This is the smallest unit of time that has any meaning in physics. A tiny fraction of a second so small that it's almost impossible to comprehend. To put it into perspective, Planck time is about 5.39 x 10 circumflex 44 seconds. That's a decimal point followed by 43 zeros and then 539. Imagine a grain of sand. This tiny particle is minuscule in our everyday experience, yet it holds a world of complexity within it. Now imagine the entire observable universe. This vast expanse stretches out for billions of light years, containing countless galaxies, stars, and planets. The difference in size between that grain of sand and the universe is roughly the same as the difference between 1 second and Planck time. It's a scale so vast that it challenges our very perception of reality. Planck time is so incredibly short that it's difficult to find an analogy that truly does it justice. It's a moment so fleeting that it makes a single tick of a watch seem like an eternity. It's the blink of an eye for a being that exists outside of time itself, a moment so brief that it defies our understanding, a flicker of existence on a scale that defies our everyday intuition. In this realm, time as we know it ceases to have meaning, and we are left to ponder the mysteries of the universe. Section 9. The uncountable, our limited perception of forever. As we've journeyed from seconds to eons and beyond, we've encountered timescales that are both awe-inspiring and humbling. The sheer magnitude of time, stretching from the fleeting moments of a heartbeat to the slow, majestic dance of galaxies, is something that can leave us breathless. Each tick of the clock, each rotation of the Earth, each orbit around the sun, is a reminder of the relentless march of time. We've seen how our human perception of time is but a tiny sliver of the vast cosmic tapestry. Our lives, though seemingly long to us, are but brief flashes in the grand scheme of the universe. We are like mayflies, living out our entire existence in the blink of an eye when compared to the age of stars and galaxies. And yet, even as we contemplate the immeasurable expanse of time, we're left with the understanding that we are bound by its passage. We are creatures of time, our lives governed by its unyielding flow. From the moment we are born to the moment we take our last breath, time is our constant companion, shaping our experiences and our memories. We experience time linearly, moving from one moment to the next. This linear perception is both a gift and a limitation. It allows us to plan, to hope, to dream, but it also means we are always moving forward, never able to return to the past or skip ahead to the future. We can remember the past, but we cannot change it. Our memories are like snapshots, capturing moments that have already slipped away. They are precious, but they are also reminders of what is gone, of what we can never reclaim. We can dream of the future, but we cannot predict it with certainty. The future is a vast, uncharted territory full of possibilities and uncertainties. It is a canvas waiting to be painted, but we can never be sure of what the final picture will look like. Perhaps the most remarkable thing about time is not its vastness or its infinitesimal divisions, but rather its ability to connect us all. Time is a thread that weaves through the fabric of our lives, linking us to each other and to the universe. It is a common experience, a shared journey that binds us together. Every human being who has ever lived, from our earliest ancestors to future generations yet to be born, has shared this fundamental experience of time's passage. It is a universal constant, a bridge between the past, present, and future. It connects us to our history, to our heritage, and to the legacy we will leave behind. So, the next time you find yourself with a spare second, minute, hour, or day, take a moment to appreciate the wonder of time. Reflect on the moments that have shaped you, the experiences that have defined you, and the dreams that propel you forward. Time is a precious gift, a fleeting treasure that we must cherish. It's a gift, a mystery, and a fundamental aspect of the universe we inhabit. Time is the backdrop against which the story of our lives unfolds, a constant presence that shapes our existence in ways both profound and subtle. Use it wisely, cherish the moments, and never stop exploring the wonders of the cosmos. For in the end, it is our journey through time that defines us, that gives our lives meaning and purpose. Embrace it, celebrate it, and let it inspire you to reach for the stars.